Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 5th August 2025, Tuesday, Adi Masam 20th. Vishwavasunama Sambalsaram Dakshinayinam Grishma Radho Adi Masam, that is Kadaka Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 1 p.m. Ekadashi, then Dwadashi. Bhaumavasram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 11:56 a.m. Ketai Nakshatram, then Moolam Nakshatram. Today is Rahu Alam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guligalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today is Chandrashtamam up to 11:56 a.m. Mesharashi, then Rishabharashi. Shulam North. Today's Prayachittam milk. Start the